Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have two issues going on with my 2008 Toyota Sienna, which I convert into a minivan camper. You can see all my setup back. Actually you won't. I will do a little van tour video a little bit later on in the coming weeks. It's gonna be my final tour of the van, this minivan camper. But anyway, I have some issue with the front brake, I believe. So let me include you a little clip here.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Golf Center.
Of what it sounds like. All right, and that's the indication that either your front brake is worn out or not. But to know for sure, I have to go in and take a look at it. And I also have a licking rack and pin, which is a big job. I already got the part, and I got all the tool and equipment needed to swap it out. All right, let's go take a look at the brake first. You can see the patch just barely have a little bit left right there. I will show you what the original looked like compared to that. All right, so I took it out. You can see the right next to nothing. Look at the left, how much material on the brake pad itself. See, this is just the backing, and there's not a whole lot left inside. Like I said, don't ignore the noise. Once you hear something's not right, you better have somebody take a look at it. And you can see right here, I already changed it out. See how thick that is. Yeah, I didn't change out the disc because it's still smooth and it's still thickened out. So all right, I'm gonna do a time lapse video on the other side. This is the left side, so I'm gonna do the right side and see how long it takes. All right, and by the way, these are the tools. I didn't buy this. I had to stop and go buy the C-clamp in order to compress the piston in the back here. You will see on the time lapse. So these are the minimal tools you're gonna need to get this job done without changing the disc. To change the disc, you need a disc and 2 more bolts, bigger ones. So not a big deal, but yeah, usually what I do is I change out 2 set of brake pad, and then I would change out the disc. Just buy a new one and slap it in, and I don't have to worry about resurfacing this. Yeah, this is a pretty easy job if you have the right tool for it. All right. Okay, so I decided not to put the wheel back on because I still have to replace this rack and pinion here. Yeah, rack and pinion right there. So I'm gonna leave it open. But for now, I'm done with replacing the brake on this. Pretty simple process. Take about a half hour for each side end, including put the wheel back and raise it up. And guess what I found? See that? That right there. See that boot is cracked? I can see some grease spilling out there. So this is a big project. But for now, it's okay. I'm gonna try to replace just this boot because the inside boot is okay. It's not as bad. The inside boot does not, let me bring the light up. Where's the inside boot? See the inside boot right there? It's not moving as much as the one outside, so it's still looking good. So I'm gonna try to replace just the boot itself, because usually people will replace the whole drive shaft, but you can buy the boot and replace them. I'm gonna try to use the one without removing the, because normally you have to remove this right here to get it out. So it's a very big project. I'm gonna see if we can get away with just replacing the boot, one of those split boot. Well, that's it for today. Next video I will be showing you how I replace the rack and pinion, which is a very big project. And you see I already jacked up the vehicle high, so might as well leave it alone. And besides, I'm working in a garage, a one-car garage, so it's pretty tight in here. Alright, thanks for watching. I will catch you on the next video. Bye for now.